want to show you how to play Leaving on a Jet Plane by John Denver. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's just start with the melody. Get that melody out of the way there. We're in the key of G, and it starts on a G. G, A, C, B, G, D, E, E, G, A, C, C, B, G, D, E, G, A, C, C, B, A, G, C, B, A, G, A. Then it does it again. Only it adds a G, D right there. G, A, C, B, G, D, D, G, E, G, A, C, C, B, G, D. Adds that D again. D, E, E, G, A, C, C, B, A, G, C, B, A, G, A. And then we're into the chorus, actually the pre-chorus. D, D, B, D, C, B, G, D, C, B, D, C, B, G, D, C, B, D, C, B, A, G, A. And then the real chorus, D, 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 B, E, D, C, D, D, B, D, C, D, C, B, G, D, C, B, A, G, A. So there you have the melody. Now the left hand is pretty simple. We're going to have G and D open fifth, C and G open fifth, and D. So you got your G chord, your C chord, your D chord, or D7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Sometimes we'll have that C in there. And then we've also got an E minor chord. E, G, B, G, B, D, C, E, G, D, F sharp, A, C, and E, G, B. Those are the 4 chords that you play, but all we're going to do mostly is just open fifths. G, D, C, G, D, F sharp and A, and an E and a B. Now, we'll use 3 of those chords on the intro. The intro's... There's your right hand. C, B, G, D, C, B, G, E, C, B, A. And in the left hand, we're going to have G, D, C, G, D, F sharp and A. Fill out the chord. And of course, you've got a C, B, A right there coming down. So you've got the C and the A filling out that G7, that D7. Now here we go, putting the hands together, and I'll go slowly. That's it. Slow it down a little bit more. Cross over. And see here you've got that D7 implied with the D and the C together. And then we're into the melody. Now, the bass for the melody is going to be G, D, C, G, G, D, C, G, G, D, E, B, D, F sharp and A, and we'll have a fill right there. So, let's put it with the right hand. Now, we go to the G, D, and now we go up to the E. So there you've got pretty much the whole song, because it just keeps that same chord progression going in the left hand. Here's your E minor. And then even for the pre-chorus and the chorus, we keep the same basic chord structure. There's your E minor. And sometimes he'll go on down to here, but I usually just stop it right there on the F sharp. So the basic structure there is G, D, C, G, again G, D, C, G, then this time G, D, E, B, D, F sharp and A, or D, F sharp, A, and C, however you want there. And then the second verse is just the same with just a few melodic changes. And then the third verse is when it's now the time that he's going to have to leave. So it gets a little sad there. So I slow it down and I just put a single bass note. And here, I'm going to put the C, D, and F sharp in the left hand. Fill out the chord, the A is in the right hand. So all I'm doing is, now I'm just going G, C, G, C, G, E, C, D, and F sharp. And then we do it again. Into that final pre-chorus and chorus just before the tag. So we play that, just more of a somber feel, but it's the same thing as you played before. Last time I just play the E and I don't hit that B because I don't think it's necessary. Then I hit the whole 7th chord there, F sharp, A, C, and come down to the F sharp. If you want to, you can drag it down to the D if you want. I ended on the F sharp. Then the tag. And all I'm going to do is open fifths here. Open fifth on G, G, D. Open fifth on C, C, G. Then I'm going to go and open fifth on G, and then I'm going to play the slip in the G and the E, and then I'm going to end with an F sharp, C, D. So it's going to go G, D, G, E. That'll be my E, G, B, but I'm leaving the G on the bass, keeping that bass down there as a pedal tone. And then we're going right to the F sharp at the bottom with a C, D, with a D7 chord. Melody will come down from that A, G, F sharp, E, D. And then if you want to, afterwards, you can hit a G chord to fill it off, to finish it off. But I'm going to end it on the 5 chord, that D7. So I'm going to end it like... I'll just end it that way. If you want to put if you need to put the G into it, you can. He usually does when he performs it. He usually ends up with the G chord, but I think it sounds nicer to just end on that 5 chord and leave you hanging a little bit. So we'll play that last tag. And all we're playing here is that, so because I'm leaving on a jet plane. We're not playing that pre-chorus. you have it. I'm Leaving on a Jet Plane by John Denver, and I do go all the way down to that D at the end there. That's where I do it all the way down. Hope you enjoy playing it. It's a beautiful song. It's a fun thing to play.